Hi, I'm Ryan, founder of Edge Shield Modules. We've worked hard to eliminate the vacuum lamination process, the largest and most expensive bottleneck in solar manufacturing. Not only does vacuum lamination require massive parallelized equipment, but it also introduces reliability issues. To give you a sense of the scale needed for vacuum lamination, here's a single lamination machine. Notice it only produces about 20 megawatts annually. To scale up production, we'd need a lot more of these. Here's 120 megawatt capacity, and finally, 200 megawatt capacity. See the people off to the side? Now let's see how ESM does it. Here at Edge Shield Modules, we're changing the game by making solar manufacturing smaller, smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. In a space about this size, we could encapsulate nearly 200 megawatts per year without the need for vacuum lamination. But wait, why doesn't everyone do this? Without the encapsulant, a lot more light ends up getting reflected on the inside of the panel. This reflected light doesn't reach the solar cell and can't make power. At Edge Shield Modules, we're working with nanotextures that redirect this reflected light back onto the cell. Speaking of sustainability, our panels can not only be taken apart with ease, but also we can recover valuable materials such as copper, silver, and high purity silicon. Watch as one of our panels is disassembled quickly and easily by hand, and the materials can be easily separated afterwards. Unlike traditional modules where the encapsulant is adhered directly to the cell, making separation of materials nearly impossible without costly and intensive chemical separation processes. Our technology has many advantages, but we need to work at getting our foot in the door. We're forming working relationships with everyone from material suppliers to manufacturers and solar power plant operators. Because of our modules' rugged design, we're able to tap into markets where traditional laminated modules can't go. We're currently partnering with the Energy Generating Authority of Thailand and the Greater Mekong Subregion Power to install 42 megawatts of solar production right on top of the water. To change the way we manufacture solar energy, we need to create an ecosystem. We're engaging with potential partners from material suppliers like H.B. Fuller, Vitro Glass, to customers like the Energy Generating Authority of Thailand and GMS Solar, to cell manufacturers like Maxion and Heliotech, and many more. The value proposition is quite significant for this. We not only create a more sustainable solar panel, but we can also facilitate rapid prototyping and deployment of PV manufacturing, customizable to suit diverse climate conditions and environments, as well as a simplified design that leads to significant savings in capex and material costs, as well as energy savings. We're improving durability, reliability, recyclability, and even repairability, making solar manufacturing more affordable and more sustainable. Join us as we unlock novel solar devices in new markets with our innovations.